Hello, my name is Revzin, and in this video I will discuss the changes I've introduced to Blender's shape keys. The first thing I will be talking about is the new Modal blend from shape operator, which introduces proportional editing and different interface for the familiar blend from shape operator. Let's add a new shape key to this face to make it smile and open the jaw at the same time. Let's go into edit mode and demonstrate the new behavior. Let's select the lower lip. Invoke blend from shape. Now the horizontal mouse movement adjusts the intensity of the blending, and the mouse wheel adjusts the source shape key. Enabling proportional editing with Shift-O results in a smooth fall-off, controlled by the vertical movement of the mouse. The higher the mouse, the larger the proportional distance will be. The bottom of the screen corresponds to zero proportional distance. Now let's add a smile. Call blend from shape once again. Select the smile as a source shape key with the mouse wheel. Now, as we want to add our shape key in instead of interpreting towards it, let's switch mouse by pressing the middle mouse button. Now the vertical mouse movement results in some interesting effects, adjusting the proportional fall-off. The second change is the introduction of an alternative shape key mixed source. Blender has a useful feature to allow the sculpting of the shape key on top of other shape keys. But if your shape keys are animated, the animation curves will get in the way. My changes introduce an alternative mixed source, especially for edit mode, that is independent of animation. You can select an arbitrary mix sculpt and then go back. One of the common problems while editing shape keys in Blender is editing the wrong shape key. For example, here I add a smile to the basis shape key, while I wanted to add it to smile shape key. Now I can use the commit to another shape operator to prevent me from losing my work. I select the smile shape key as the target, and now, as you can see, Blender will silently switch to the smile shape key and commit your changes there, leaving the basis shape key untouched. Another feature is shape key compression. I modified the way Blender stores mesh shape key data. Now only the vertices that are changed from the rest position are stored in a key block. This is a head of a video game character with more than 150 shape keys. Using the storage method I introduced, we reduce the file size by more than 2 times. This compression also works for undo rates, so there will be a lot of space saved even after a couple of undo pushes. The last feature I'll be overviewing in this video is faster shape key recalculation. The master branch of Blender uses complicated conversion functions each time a shape key is switched. In my branch, the complicated functions are only used when they are needed, like when the topology is changed. I've introduced a system that checks if the topology of the edit mesh has changed, and if it has not, it uses lightweight shape key recalculation functions. These were the features I introduced to shape key editing in Blender. You can find more documentation about them on my wiki page on wiki.blender.org. Thanks for watching, and thanks for a great summer.